Busy executives aren't worried about the details of projects and progress of individual tasks. They're focused on the outcome of programs and portfolios, which roll up from projects to drive business results. Microsoft Project Online gives you automatic roll-ups. Western Principles can get you started. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notifications about new content. If you're watching on LinkedIn, please like, comment, or share. Many companies use Microsoft Project Professional as a standalone project scheduling and execution tool. When used as part of Project Online, the schedules, data, baselines, and resources all roll up to Project Online to provide visibility to projects at the enterprise level. When combined with metadata like program names, project sponsors, departments, geographies, and more, program views can be created dynamically in the Project Center and can also be provided in executive-ready dashboards through Power BI. Also, other data tracked in Microsoft Project Online, like costs, risks, issues, and more, can be rolled up in Project Center views by program or in other ways, like by department. Projects are planned and executed in multiple ways with multiple systems. Sometimes you'll need to use something other than Microsoft Project. Agile projects, for example, are often managed using Azure DevOps or Jira. Capital construction may use other scheduling systems too. These project execution systems can be integrated with Microsoft Project Online using Power Automate or configured connectors to pull key project information into the Project Center. This gives full enterprise visibility to projects and programs. Where does all that information go? It rolls up into the Microsoft Project Online Project Center, where you can create a variety of views and ad hoc reports for the Project Management Office. Microsoft Project and Power BI also have an out-of-the-box content pack that you can use to quickly deliver executive-ready reports. With permissions and filters, these give you portfolio and program views. This covers key indicators like program, status, costs, risks, and resources. In addition, dashboards can be customized to give you different views of your information to drive decisions, perhaps with map views or on mobile devices. Power BI also lets you bring in data from other systems, like joining in your actual costs from your ERP system to give your executives a full view of an entire program and portfolio. Western Principles is a Microsoft Gold project and portfolio management partner. We know Microsoft Project and Power BI and can help you with all aspects of your project and portfolio management system, including your reporting and dashboards. Let's get started together. Visit us on the web. Call us at 1-800-578-4155 or email us at info@westernprinciples.com. We look forward to helping you.